What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here. We got ourselves a wordy one here, man. Determine the quotient using long division, then write the dividend as a product of the divisor and quotient plus the remainder. What? That's a whole lot of words, man. You know what? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to set up long division right here, and then we'll talk about some of those words. Okay, let's do it. All right, now for the words. Write the dividend, that's this guy here, as a product of the divisor and the quotient, which will be up top here as I'm working through the problem, plus our remainder. So there may be a remainder in this particular problem. Let's get to dividing, and then we'll readdress those bad boys right there. Again, colors with long division, if you so choose. I mean, I got them here. I'm going to use them, bro. All right, first one. I'm going to look at that first guy there. I'm going to divide it by 3x. 3x cubed divided by 3x is x squared. Then I'm going to take that x squared, I'm going to multiply it to these two right here and write it below. So I'm going to have 3x cubed. Those two should always match up. And I have minus 9x squared. Now I'm going to subtract the green from the pink. I'm going to draw my line, change that sign. That becomes positive. Now I can just add vertically. Those cancel. They always will. And over here, I'm going to have negative 3x squared. Snoop Dogg, drop it like it's hot. There we go. Boom. Now, change colors again. We're going to go to orange. All right, this guy divided by that guy. So I'm going to have negative 3x squared divided by 3x. That gives me negative x. Whew. That's close, man. Almost stopped. All right, negative x times those two is going to give me negative 3x squared. And then I'm going to have positive 9x. Next up, we're going to draw my line, change that sign so we're subtracting. All right, and I've got these two canceling. They always will. And then 36x minus 9x. That's going to give me positive 27x. One more. Snoop Dogg. Drop it like it's hot. There we go. One last color change. We'll go blue this time. This guy divided by that guy. 27x divided by 3x gives me positive 9. Boom. 9 gets multiplied through. I get 27x. And then I've got negative 81. All right. All right. Draw my line. Change that sign, right? We're subtracting, and I get positive 9 here as my remainder. So what are we working with exactly? Well, let's check this out. Okay. So I'm going to take, we got to determine the quotient using long division, then write the dividend, this pink guy right here, as the product of the divisor, the 3x minus 9, and the quotient, which is this multicolored part up here, plus the remainder, which is right down here. So the divisor is going to be first. So we're going to say here, we got 3x minus 9, okay? And then we're going to multiply that to the quotient, which is x squared minus x plus 9. And then we have a remainder, which is plus, and it's not plus 9, it's plus 9 over this guy right here. So 9 over what I was dividing by, right? Over my divisor. Close parentheses. Okay, so now we have this terrible looking thing here, but check this out. What you may see, how you may see it written is, I'm going to take this 3x minus 9, and I'm going to multiply that to this part right here, which will be x squared minus x plus 9. Okay, close them. And I'm also going to multiply this 3x minus 9 to that guy, which will cancel out my denominator, leaving me with just plus 9. Now we're not dealing with any kind of a fraction here, as we're able to distribute that, cancel out that denominator, group this guy while it's still being multiplied to this. Kind of a weird dealio right there. Definitely a challenging problem, but now we have this written as the divisor, 3x minus 9, times the quotient right there, plus the remainder, right? It all works out in the words there. Man, that's a lot. It's a lot of colors, a lot going on, a lot of awesomeness, a lot of dope stuff. I will see you dogs later.